particularly Callaway's 5 VIP The Sound of the Bagpipes shirt-year-old Indian subsidiary is seeing a 20% annual development in gross sales of golf gear, thanks primarily to elevated company sponsorships and a wholesome tempo of development. The corporate owns a number of golf programs in suburban Lisbon, together with the 36-hole Ribagolf Advanced and Quinta do Peru Golf and AMP Nation membership. John Brown. The VIP The Sound of the Bagpipes shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, sweatshirt, hoodie, V-neck, tank top, brown golf VIP The Sound of the Bagpipes shirt administration is marching its means West pipeline overflow, in a try to make sure its survival. A 125-year-old membership in West Sussex, England is making ready to relocate. Up to now this year, the Bluffton, South Carolina-based proprietor-operator has added 2 properties to its fast-growing portfolio. One in Georgia, Apple Mountain Resort and AMP Golf membership in Clarksville, and one in Missouri, Vacation Hills Resort and AMP Golf membership in Branson. In my final spherical I had 2 3-putts and 32 general, which was by far my finest placing all year. The Hilliman Golf Course gives an assortment of high-quality services. Other products.